Hello and welcome to Evaluate and Repair, or welcome back to the channel if you're subscribed here or been if you're subscribed here or you've visited before. Today we're going to do a pretty simple job here. It should be a quick video. We're going to replace the third brake light on this Kia Sorento. If you're new here, we have videos on this car where it's been hit by a deer, it's been in a collision with a deer. We're in the process of putting it back together. This is just something that was wrong with the car prior to it, and this is a quick fix. We had bought a donor car, and we're going to pull the third brake light out of the donor car and install it on this car here. So the first thing we got to do is we got to pull this piece of trim off up here, which is pretty easy to do. Just grab a hold of it, find a spot, and just give it a, right here you got a little grip here, just pop it off. Good, pop it. Come on, cooperate. It pops in with these studs here. They just snap in. And here are your screws for your third brake light, and it looks like a couple little clips. So you just pop them off. We're just going to pop them off. Light should pop out the other side. The plug is up in here somewhere, I think. Should be up in here. It's where it was on my Envoy. But if not, we'll have to dig into it further. But I'm pretty sure that's where we're going to find it. So just, I don't know if I can film this or not. I'll give it a shot. Okay, that looks like about the best I'm going to be able to get you in here. So let's see what happens.
Let's see if I got the right order. Yep, I do.
It should just pop out the other side unless I missed a screw or something here, which I don't think I did. Anything else holding it but this thing here. There it goes. She should just pop out of there. All right, why that would be holding it in there, but we'll take it off and make sure. All right. There it is. Just gotta break the seal. Right out. There it is. Then you got your plug here. Pop that off. And you just pop it back in there. If you do one in, we'll do it on the new car. Alright, well, putting it in is going to be the reverse, but the problem is I got a dead battery. I can't open this back door. We got a charge in the battery, and that'll help, and I'll be able to open this door up. we already removed the old light. You can see how it's broke off there. There's no replacing this lens. You got to replace the whole light. We already removed it the same way we did it on the other car. Now we're going to put the new one, put the other car, the donor light in. And it's just the reverse of what we just did. By the way, this one popped, or the other one popped out real easy compared to the other one. Just want to put the plug in. Take this somehow. There we go. Get your plug in. Set your light in place. You got your 3 screws in hand. Get them all started. Stay out of your way here. Pick them up. Don't go crazy on them. It's not going to go anywhere. Alright, there we go. And pop this guy in place. Get your studs all lined up where it's supposed to go. Let it right there. And snap it into place, and that's it. I don't know if I have enough juice to see if the brake lights work or not, but let's find out. Yep, did they work? I can't tell from up there, so I won't know until I watch the video. Well, that'll be it. Pretty simple job right there. Okay, I did just watch the video. They do work, so that's all we need to know. If this video helped you any, hit the like, share, and subscribe button, and hit the bell to get notifications. And once again, thanks for watching.